Hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can enable cheats in Minecraft. In this video I'm using the 1.int version of Minecraft, so if you have any other version it will still work for you. And for this tutorial, please make sure to follow me step by step so you don't miss anything and you will have to watch the tutorial over and over again. So let's get ahead and open single player, and I will show you the two ways to enable the sheets in Minecraft. The first one is after you create your world, you can from here click on allow sheets and turn it on, and you can then just create your world and it will be load sheets on it by default. If not, if you have a normal world like I have without any sheets in it, you can let's talk first of all what enable sheets helps you with. It gives you a lot of options. The main one, which is going to game mode creative. The game mode creative, as I said before in another tutorial, it is the god mode of Minecraft, which gives you every resources, and basically you can have anything infinitely. You can fly in Minecraft, you can do whatever you want, and it is basically used in the big servers, so you can build and do stuff like that. How can you allow sheets in your, for example, survivor mode or your creative mode? Basically what you can do is click on your menu and then go to open to LAN and then allow sheets off, turn it on, and from here you can start LAN world. As you can see from here, now we can go and go game mode and go creative, just like so. As you can see, now I can fly, I can have infinite resources from this, I can do a lot of stuff, and this will help you a lot during, if you want, for example, to build something, to do something in Minecraft that is basically impossible with the survival mode. You can actually do it with this creative mode, and you can actually, using this mode, you can actually break bedrock. So the bedrock, which is the block that can be and impossible to be broken with the survival mode, you can actually now break it and see the afterward in the Minecraft and see what is down below your normal world. So that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.